Okay guys, we are on the final straight MOT this coming week, I do believe.
Oh yes.
And today we're just, well, a few little jobs today. Painting up some of the remaining wheels.
Rub them down.
Rub them down, yep.
Yeah, and give them a silver coat. It's just to tidy things up more than anything else. I know there's a bit of paint jobs to be done on the RV itself, but it's all these little things add up. And I suppose the next big job is to actually paint the whole thing.
Yeah.
We did say next year, but I honestly believe I think we can get it done this year.
So another thing we're doing is we've got the we've got the one mirror off. We just painted that up there, just drying out in the sun. We'll get that on the door, and then we'll get the other one off and paint that one up.
Yeah.
Got that side to do there. But yeah. We took it for a run out yesterday, Rob, didn't we?
Oh, a good 45-minute run.
Took for a run.
Yeah, it was absolutely superb. Need to adjust a couple of the catches, but apart from that, absolutely running like a
door catches, internal door catches.
Door
yeah, a couple of doors opened up on the way,
and
we're out.
Something, but
yeah, in fact, so yeah, when we're out and about, a couple of these doors here were just springing open. So we'll put some, yeah. So we'll put some catches on there, some better catches.
That's fine. But again, some of the comments that we had in the previous videos, amazingly, guys, the tiles are still on the wall. We actually took it for a good run yesterday.
Yes. So we had a few negatives in the earlier days. People saying, "Oh, those tiles won't stay on the wall, etc." Well, actually, we've had a good look at them. There's not one crack in the grouting whatsoever, and we
had a bloody good run yesterday.
We gave it a good run out, and it was round some country lanes. It was getting thrown around a bit because we wanted to know if there's any issues, and nothing sprung up at all. No issues whatsoever, and all the tiles are still on the wall. So, so a bonus. Right, we'll come back to you in a bit, guys. Yeah, just a last-minute thought here, guys. We've well, I've realised these two gauges are stuck on the dashboard, and they're right in front of the driver's view. And that will fail on an MOT. Obviously it's never had an MOT in the UK before, so it wouldn't have mattered. So we're going to take this one out because we know this doesn't work anyway. This one does work, so we will keep that, and we'll move that over to this side if I can, outside of the swept area of the wiper blades, which will be okay for MOT then. Right, slight change of plan there. I thought, well, do you know what, if we're moving it, I might as well take it out, just in case it creates a problem on the MOT. So there we go. Dashboard is now nice and clean of obstructions. We'll have to remove the cuddly dice, of course, temporarily. What are you up to, Rob?
I am just giving this a first coat because it's the grey that John and Sammy have chosen. It's going to need a couple of coats, but I think in the last video we said we were going to replace this door. We've now replaced it. But that was just an undercoat grey, and we're going to do the other door at the front, but this is the grey we're going to finish off with all the bodywork. Yeah,
it's like a nice colour, isn't it?
Yeah, it is stunning colour. Yeah, probably need a couple of coats for the aluminium, but we'll get there. Okay, we as John mentioned just earlier on, we were painting this up to finish off the job in grey. I think once we've actually painted the whole thing, I've got a grey bar going across there all the way down the RV. It'll look absolutely stunning. But I've put new locks on as well. It's a new door, it's solid. There's two locks on there. I don't know if you remember the last video when I was shaking it about, and it was just like a piece of paper. We got rid of the grid, the grating as well. We don't need it in the back. So that one's done.
There we go. Newly painted wheels. Bit of tyre black on there as well, just for the finish. And the hub's painted up nice and black. Looks really smart now, really smart. Right, so we've painted this mirror as well. Ignore this red, guys, this is just to stop the door from rusting until we paint the door. But yeah, mirror's nicely painted up. That looks quite neat actually.
It's very neat indeed.
There we go, guys. Just a short video this week because we haven't got a lot to show you because we're near enough there, aren't we, Rob?
Yeah, and we don't really want to do a video over keep duplicating ourselves, so it is a bit of a short one. But Andy, we are on track. Many fun adventures. It looks like we're going to actually meet you there, so
The beers are in the fridge.
Well, John's are. I've drank mine already.
He's
So
gone. They're gone. He's drunk the beers already. You know what I mean?
that's all I guess.
So we need to stock up for Rob.
Yep.
Get that fridge going.
Yep.
And we'll be there, mate.
Yep.
Okay.
Now, hopefully, we'll do a video next week of let you know how we got on with the MOT as well.
Yep. MOT next week. Yep.
Yep. Cool. So take care, guys, and thank you for your support. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.